Good morning, folks. It's great to be back out. It's good to be out in a new Munro for me. Hopefully this will be my first new Munro of 2026. And today I'm out with Robert for Moruisg Mountains. Left Glasgow this morning at 4 o'clock and we're on our way up the Munro called Moruisg. Now there is a Corbett attached to this. We'll see what the conditions are like when we get to the summit, if we're going to do it or no. There was the intention of doing it, but we might do it, I don't know, we'll see how we are. But 50 minutes in we are, come through the bog here, parked down at the roadside down there, up through the bog, and we're going to hit this steep bit here. I reckon that's our path, just up there, and the summit is over to the right hand side here. That's the Corbett there, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So I'll bring you back in a bit, guys. Weather conditions today, guys, as you can see, dry. It's the main thing, it's dry. Sun comes and goes, a bit windy. I think the forecast was maybe 30 to 35 mile/hour winds on the summits. We're up here to Monday. It's Friday today, it's Friday the 20th of March. We're up here at Monday. We've got digs booked down at Loch Carron, and there's sixes. There's only me and Murchie doing this hike. I think Big Andy's doing Moruisg today, and the other guys, Dave, Paul and Ali, they are doing this same hike but coming in for the back end. So they're going to cycle basically the Moruisg cycle and come in up the back end. I think they're planning on doing the Corbett and the Munro. So it is 10 o'clock. Our digs aren't available until 3. So it's a plenty of time. Plenty of time. It just sees how we're feeling. We'll be out for a few weeks. Same old. Work, family. I knew I had this plan, so whole weekend away, so I don't get many of them. But when the day come along, it's good. It's good to meet up with the guys. It's good to get away from the hustle and bustle of family life, work life. Good going. Good going. That's cracking the cloud moving over that mountain to you. Just wish it was a wee bit brighter. This is on a wee eroded zigzag path, currently at 570 metres, so gaining height pretty quick because it is steep. Now look at the speed of the clouds, shows you how windy it is. fantastic. Yeah, check that out, troops. Oh. Sake. Hi guys, summit of Moruisg, 926 metres. That took us 2.5 hours to get to the summit. Stunning, absolutely stunning. There you go, you're never too far away from some bangers out in the mountains. Brilliant. Hi my pal, how you doing? Good to see you, mate.
Brilliant time, isn't it?
Good to see you, mate.
Have you been up here?
Aye, aye. Alright buddy, how you doing?
Good, man.
How you doing? How the boys? How the boys?
Leo. Bag? Is that right? Because that's Leo.
Yeah, that's us, fed and watered. Stopped here for a wee brew. Good to get down off that summit out the wind. Very windy at the summit. It was good to meet up with the guys. I thought we were going to miss them. Me and Robert had been to the summit and they'd hanging about, had a look in the direction we thought they would comfy. Couldn't see them. And we started, me and Robert started heading away to the big trig point. And sorry, the big cairn. And as we heard was them shouting. Aye, so it was good to see them. See them all later. Big Andy, he's summited Muir Lundy, so yeah. So down after this, down through this boggy bit, into the car, going to go into the wee town, go to a shop, get some stuff, and our digs should be ready. We should be ready for here for about 3 o'clock, so yeah, all good. Hey guys, this is done, back at the car. All in all, we were just over 5 hours for 9.5k, 1,000 metres of ascent. Cracking day, beautiful day, it's turned out really nice, but still very windy, really windy at the summits. Great to catch up with the guys at the top. We'll get them later for a couple of beers a night and the digs. Once I get to the digs, I'll give a wee tour, let you see what we've hired for the weekend. Unfortunately, the weather's to turn tomorrow. We checked the weather last week, and this weekend was looking cracking. I think it's just pulled itself forward a bit. I think it'd be ideal if we were here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'd have caught the best of the weather, but obviously we're here Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday is to be raining tomorrow. Sunday's a washout. So we've got plans in place. Whether they come off or not, I don't know. I'm planning on doing the 2 Skurs tomorrow. Probably flying solo on that one. But that is what it is. Everybody's got different targets today. A couple of guys are going to do cheesecake. A couple of guys got to go and do a Corbett. We'll just play it by ear and see what happens. But if you've managed to watch it this far, thank you so much for watching. First new Munro of 2026. Brilliant, feeling great. Catch you in the next one, guys.